Okay, so I was in the middle of. Why do I start off with okay? Huh? Okay. So how we start off with okay? I was working on a project for Mrs. Charlie Mike, and something came to the door for me. It is the Eco Zen Lifestyle Premium Work Apron. I saw this on Amazon Big Sucker Primordial Days or something. I don't know. Anyway, so I thought, I do need to get a second apron. And this looked like a pretty good deal. So we will see what we can see. Not that I'm getting rid of my other one, but ooh, back in a package. Oh, a zipper. Uh-oh. Down now. All right, so it's waxed canvas and it's got all kinds of, I don't know. There we go. Figure this out right now. As you can see, I've actually been out here working. So we're going to see. All right, so right off the bat, this is what I wanted, was because it had the split front. See if we can get a little bit better of a zoom here. Not of my gut or my butt, but of this awesome apron. This is one of the reasons I wanted this, was because of the harness in the back. All right, it's not that cross over, but it is, I don't know what you would call it, a straight. I don't really know, to be honest with you. Good Lord, James, come on now. All right. Ooh. Okay, so let's see if we can get this a little bit better here. All right, so you can see, got some kangaroo pockets. Got them, obviously the front pockets. It's got a zipper. That's in the halfway mode. Okay, so supposedly you put your phone in there. Yeah, that's not going to fit my phone. But, okay, right off the bat. Looks a well-made zipper. We'll have to mess with that later. All right, so I always have a X-Acto now and a pencil. These are pretty tight. I have to do a little work to get that in there. Right here, for your glasses. Heck yeah, suckers. Right here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, suckers. And then of course, right here is for, your hammer that I don't carry around on a regular basis. Or you can put that hammer right there that I don't carry around on a regular basis. I am going to have to do a little bit of cinching up on this, but this is what I was talking about right here. This system where it goes straight across as opposed to like that. And of course, you have this. That right there. And you've got your cinch. and it does it on both sides. Now this is an extra long. Ooh, I think I got a little bit too tight. This is an, yeah, come on, there we go. Okay, this is an extra long, which I didn't really need the extra long, but I definitely wanted the split front. Okay, this is an Eco Zen. Got my little pockets in the front, right? Kangaroo pockets, and so we'll put this to the test and we'll see how this works out. Again, not sponsored, bought it with my own money. We're gonna try it out and we're gonna see how this works. More later. That's Charlie Mike.